What is transfer learning? Let's say you have a bunch of images on which you want to train a neural network. So instead of training a neural network completely from scratch, what you can do is you can take a pre-trained model. So you take a neural network that was already trained on some images from, let's say, internet dataset. And then you can do further training of this pre-trained model on the new dataset, which might be smaller set of number of images. And then you can say you have a fine-tuned model. So in transfer learning, let's say you want to now do a 5-class classification, whereas your original pre-trained model was trained for 1000-class classification. Then what do? You have to define a new classification head. So the rest of your architecture will remain the same. You can even freeze the pre-trained architecture so that in the training process, the weights and biases are not changed at all. But in the classification head alone, which will be a small part of the neural network architecture, the final layer will have 5 nodes followed by softmax probability distribution calculation. And the classification head alone can be trained during the training process of the new architecture. So this is how transfer learning works to speed up the process of training the features from the new dataset without having to start the training completely from scratch.